Hi guys, in this easy tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can withdraw your money from Payoneer to your bank account. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you just need to log in into your Payoneer account. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now keep in mind, you can do the exact same steps on your phone. You just need to follow these simple steps and you will be able, guys, to withdraw your money from Payoneer to bank accounts. Okay, so after you log in into your Payoneer, as you can see here, guys, you can see here your balance, and if you have like multiple currencies, you can see the balance on each currency. For example, here you say dollars is only $2 because I have withdrawn all my money to the bank accounts. Now exactly how this is how you can withdraw your money. Okay, now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here where it says withdraw and transfer. Okay, here in the left. Okay, and after that it says here convert currencies, withdraw to bank. You want to click here where it says withdraw to bank. Okay, now after that it will take you to this page, but me, because I already linked my bank, it took me to this page. But you, as you can see, it only says here for me to select the currency, which I only have $2 in this currency, and I need to enter here the amount I want to send, and they will show me here, guys, exactly how much I will receive in my currency. Okay, now this is not going to matter now. After you have to link first your bank account. Okay, now what you guys need to do in this case, like I said, you just need to click there and it will take you guys to this page. Okay, you just need to click on add account, and I'm going to click again on add account because I already added a bank account. Now this is how it will look for you. Okay, when you click on add bank account, this is how it's going to look. Now first thing, if it's a personal type, if your bank account is personal, you want to click on personal. Like most people, they will have personal accounts. Okay, click on personal, and here you want to click the bank country. Now where like the bank is located. Now for me, the bank is located in Morocco. Okay, now here select the bank account currency. Now you want to select here which currency your bank, okay, which currency your bank has. Now for me it has dirhams, which is this. Okay, make sure the currency is correct because this is important, and then click on next. Okay, now after that it will say here you will have to add here the bank name. Okay, and here you will have to add your bank holder name, which is your name. This is your name. Make sure that your name is correct. And here the account number, which is RIB. You will find all this information in your bank application. So just download it on your app store, and then you will be able to get the account number. Okay, keep in mind this is going to be different from each country. If you are selected, if you have if you live in Australia or something, you will have to add here the account number, the routing number. Now here you will have to add the bank name. Now for me the bank name is CH Bank. Okay, the bank name here is CH, and make sure you click on agree to the terms and service. I confirm, and then click on next, and you will be able to add your bank. Now what you guys need to do is to wait for them to confirm that the details are correct, and then you will be able to start withdrawing your money. Like I said at the beginning, I just click on withdraw like this. After you link your bank, this is how it's going to look, withdraw. And now after you click on withdraw, it will take you directly, and you will see here your bank account here, and here you will select the currency where you have the balance, and here you want to enter here how much money you want to send, and here it will show you exactly how much you will receive in your currency. Okay, that's it. The description is optional, it's not really that important. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next video.